Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to use Instagram templates for stories. Using Instagram story templates or the Canva app makes it easy or quick to create professional looking stories. Templates save time and help maintain a consistent style for your posts. In this guide, you'll learn how to use Instagram templates for stories step by step. To begin, unlock your mobile phone and open the Canva app. Make sure to log into your account if you are not signed in yet. Now, tap the search bar at the top of the screen, type Instagram story, and tap search. Choose the Instagram stories. Browse the available story templates. Tap the template you like to open it. Customize this template to start editing. Tap the text boxes to change the words with your own message. Tap the photo and tap replace. Allow access to your gallery. Choose your photo, tap on it to replace images, icons, or graphics. Tap on adjust to add filters to match your styles, and so on and so forth. Tap download or share icon at the top right and confirm to save the design to your phone as an image or video. Now, let's open the Instagram, create a story, and upload the saved template from your gallery. Tip: Canva already uses the perfect Instagram story size, like 1080p to 1920, so your design will fit perfectly without cropping. That's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.